Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get CapCut Pro for free. Well, like some free trials, I guess. You can either select a video here and add in some pro features, make it a little bit bigger and screen record that. The quality, however, won't be great. You can also go to menu, and if you went back to homepage, select invite friends. It's going to load, and if your friend doesn't have CapCut PC yet, you can both get the 7-day free trial by clicking the link, so you'll both have it, but your friend needs to download it for you to be able to get that. So it's like copy invite link and do that. And there is one more on mobile where you can like do tasks and get free CapCut Pro. But yeah, those are just the ways to get CapCut Pro. I know it's still like a trial and it won't last like forever, but I guess the trial is helpful because maybe after you've like actually tried it, you want to get it. But yeah, those are just the ways. It's not super great, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.